Let's get it. Let's get straight into it. Oh man, we got us a crazy one here, man. This came across my tidbill, not my table, my tidbill. I seen this. Her name is Kane or E Kane or Erica Kane or Kane Erica. I don't know. I'm getting a bunch of different ways of pronouncing her name or even saying who she is, right? From what I saw, this is horrible. I got dog hair on my shoulder. Excuse me, y'all. This is Christmas Day. I just decided to get on here. Anyway, I'm looking at the video and I'm saying there's no way that you're doing this as a mother on camera. So she's a social media star, I guess. I don't know what to call these people anymore, but she's on social media. She has 4 point whatever million people or however many people, and she does all of these vlogs and all these different things. But she was out eating with her son, crab ball. Lord, why gotta be a goddamn crab ball? Why gotta be a damn crab ball? Bullets for that. Oh my God. Anyway, she out there with a crab ball with her son. Her son catches an allergic reaction, and her reaction to it is insane, man. Let's get into it. I know some of y'all probably seen this, but I haven't even seen the whole thing. This is the longer version. I seen the shorter clip, and I finally found the longer version. So let's get into it, y'all.
He looks so different. He do. What your lip look? Are you doing that, Mix? Do it regular.
I'm not doing that.
Are you allergic to? Why your lip look like that? Can you breathe? Is he allergic to? What are you allergic to? What is he allergic to? He only allergic to peanuts.
Wait.
I'm gonna finish my boil. Once you can't breathe, let me know.
What? This Once you can't breathe, let me know. Once you can't breathe, let. Go listen to the baby one.
No, because we ate here before and his lip ain't do that before. Mommy, sit down. It don't matter. I'm eating.
No, because they ate there before. That's why she think that they shouldn't leave, because they ate there before and it didn't happen to them before. So you shouldn't leave now. I want a bomba blood clot yata.
I know you're tired, honey.
So she gonna went right back to eating. I would have been freaking out. I wouldn't have showed the baby how freaking out, but I'd have been freaking out inside. Like, yo, we gotta go. Let's go.
I have ripped some crust off her lip. So that part was swollen. Let me see again. Let me see if your whole lip's swollen now. Maybe your whole lip is now. Let me see. Why?
Not only that, you don't tell him to stop eating it.
Oh, maybe he bit it? Nah, his food ain't gonna swell up like that just because he bit his leg.
There's really no, it's all fun and games. There's no concern.
Is you scared? Your ass look like Bubble Bass. His ass look like Bubble Bass. Should I Google this?
Should you Google this? You asking the people, should you Google about your child's face that looks abnormal and swelling? Because there's never swelled before. And you're telling me that because y'all ate there before, that it's a... What am I watching, bro? What am I watching? You're doing this on live, and you're asking people in your comments or your or your stream.
I'm finna Google it.
I'm finna Google it. It's called an allergic reaction. Go to the hospital or get some Benadryl. One or the other, ma'am.
I swear I would not have brought us. Like, this is crazy.
She don't want to leave her crab ball.
Good.
Good. Do you get anything?
No, not
There's
right
no
now.
situational awareness.
6-year-old lip swollen at seafood place.
Bumba blood clot. Bumba blood clot.
Stupid motherfucker. She's so fucking stupid.
Like shellfish, but you ate shellfish before. We love shrimp.
You love shrimp.
Let me get some content of it first.
Let me get some content of it first. Let me get some content of it first.
Oh my gosh. No, go home. How do you
This is a
feel?
goofball. This is a goofball.
Every time I do this side and this side moves.
Yeah, don't put it in, but when it's just hanging out, how you feel? Just regular?
Brittany, I got your food.
No, it's just heavy. Can you breathe?
Right,
Your
go.
head hurt?
They get your food.
Your neck hurt?
Y'all good?
Anything hurt? Just your lip is swollen and it hurt when you tuck it in?
And it kind of burns.
You're a horrible parent. You're a horrible parent. How you bad? I don't understand what's going on here.
OMG.
Take the baby to the hospital, dumbass.
I'm gonna go ahead and finish up.
But she's still eating.
Wait.
What the fuck am I? Yo, she's still eating, bro. She's still eating. She's still eating. She's still eating.
She's still fucking
Do you know where
eating.
the bathroom is? Oh. Go to the ERA tab, the emergency? So you mean to tell me I can't finish my boil?
She's still eating.
You mean to tell me? Let me hurry up here.
She's drinking the long run. This stupid idiot. These are the people that y'all give all of y'all attention to. These fucking waterhead ass females. These bigger ass Negroes that y'all watching on your goddamn screens.
What could that be? I'm finna call the police.
You finna call the police? Yeah, they about to call the police on you.
Call the ambulance.
Even the baby
Well, I
on the
might
other
as well
side
drink my
got
drink
more.
there if we gonna have a ride. He looks so different.
Yo, wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's how it ended. Wait, go back. Go back. Go back one more time. What the?
What could that be? I'm finna call the police. Should we call the police?
No.
Call the ambulance. Well, I might as well drink my drink there if we gonna have a ride.
What the fuck is that? She bounced. She said if we ain't got a ride, then we ain't going. What happened to the baby?
Why your lip look like that?
I think the baby left.
Can you breathe?
No, yo, this is not cool, bro. This ain't 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 cool, bro. Yo, when people like when y'all little influencer people, friends, follower, whatever y'all support, whatever y'all do, whatever these people are. How do they get these many followers? Y'all really, okay, do people really only care about people that crash out now? Do people only care about people that are idiots? Are there more of the slow class out here than I thought? Did the No Left Behind program went too far? Did it become a zoo of humans out here? Did everyone's brains become freaking scrambled? Are these the one? Because why? She light skinned? Because they dance? Because they yo, I see astronomical numbers for these idiots and they following. Simple stuff like this will make me unfollow you right away, completely, right away. Because I'm like, yo, you ain't got no situational awareness of allergic reaction, and you think it's a joke the whole way. Like most, and it's fun, and I'm gonna say this broadly. Most of the women that I know nowadays will probably take it as a joke. That's the sad thing that I'm really thinking about it, because I'm really replaying situations in my head over the years of me living, and I've been living on this earth a long time, and I've just seen the progression of grandmama, and if something was to happen, and grandmama hurry up and get on it, and then afterwards they laughing about it. Moms, they get on it, boom. Then afterwards they laughing about it. They're not laughing about it within that time, in that space. It's whoa, what's going on here? Boom, your lip going on. You tell the kid, yo, wait till you stop breathing to tell me. What? Yo, you got to be out your everlasting mind. Wait till you stop breathing.
What?
I'm done, y'all. I'm done. Anyway, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, man. If y'all know this chick E. Kane, I don't follow these people. I just seen it come across my Yable. We here, man. Follow the ticker and the blicker. Everything was going across the screen the whole time. I don't understand what's up with these people, yo. This is what y'all really. I had to research this chick because I didn't know who she was. So that's how I know she got all these followers and all this. Y'all, like, even on YouTube, she got like 300,000 followers, and our content is bullshit. I'm sorry. I guess, man, bullshit is in. I guess. I don't know. People might say my content bullshit. Who the fuck knows? I don't. Call CPS. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because you already know. If you don't,
You gon' die.